Hello, my STEM students. I hope you are enjoying your Friday. Almost getting to the weekend, and I will see you tomorrow on Saturday. So let's talk about what you're going to be doing for your STEM project. And as a reminder, this will be graded. Yesterday, we, as classes, picked our topics. As you can see, here are all of the topics for each student. I will post this in the Google Classroom post, so you don't have to memorize it, but again, we are ready to discuss it. Please stick to these topics. Do not change what you have already picked. So what you're going to be doing is making a poster highlighting a STEM event, from drones to deepfakes. What was some technology that was discovered or created that has shaped and changed our world? A lot of people picked deepfakes, private space exploration, and some type of gaming. So you pick your topic, which you already had, and then you need to include the things that you see on your screen. Also, attached in this assignment, there will be a rubric. As I have shown you before, it will tell you specifically how you can get an A. These 4 topics, if you get 25%, add up to 100%, 25% on each, and it goes down from there. So this tells you exactly how you get an A, a B, a C, but the information boils down to this one. Please be careful in following where I ask you to put the name, class, and date. So be careful about this direction right here. You need to have 3 pictures. You need to include significant people that contributed to this event or discovery. Where did it happen? 3 different contributions that your topic made to science or math. How did it change the field? How does your topic relate to real life? All of these topics relate to real life. That's why we're doing this. And what do you think that these technologies will bring to the future, or how might they change to adapt to the future or be influenced by the future? And you need to also include a separate list of websites and information that you use to build your poster. Do not copy and paste. If you copy and paste, I will figure it out and you will lose points. So this is all of the information that you need to include. And this is basically, needs to be neat, it needs to be in color, it needs to be informative, it needs to be digital in your own words, and it needs to have proper spelling, grammar, and punctuation, and it will be due on June 5th. I will again send you all of these documents. Now, you can use Canva if you would like. I and Mr. Dan, however, would recommend that you use Google Slides. And I'm going to attach this document, which actually tells you how to make Google Slides into a poster. I'm going to show you real quick, and then I will put this in there too if you need more help. So you just go in and create your slide, and then you're going to go to File, Page Setup, Custom. You change that to 2436, and again, this is the normal layout, or with the text boxes and stuff. But if you click, see, this one says blank only. You can start building the poster. It's great to change fonts. Let's see. I know I have a logo from the school that I was just using. You don't have to include that, but it's really easy. You can also, it's really nice, change the background. Makes it a little easier on the eyes when it's not white. Think about contrasting colors. If you do a blue background, you might not want to do a light blue text. Think about how colors go together. Think about how they're easy to read and easy to follow. So again, you can use Canva. I would recommend using Google Slides. It has a lot more features, a lot more that you can add, and it is something that we use and use and use, and you will continue to use throughout your life unless Google goes bankrupt, which I don't think they will. So it is a great tool, and if you ever need to print them or make them into actual posters, they translate very well from Google Slides to an actual poster. You want to also think about where your title is going to go. Is your title clear? Everything. Do I know that I'm learning about the history, the background, the future? So be clear and follow a clear pattern on how it's going to work. If you would like to do a poster this way, you can. I think if you would like to do a landscape poster, I like portrait posters. So that is what you're going to be doing. And you can always email me if you have any questions. We will meet on Saturday to discuss it further. That is what you are doing for this lesson. And I will give you time throughout the next week to work on it. I hope you have a great rest of your Friday, and I will see you guys tomorrow on Saturday.